Okay, drill press, oiler, final completion. I just need to get a new 5-gallon bucket to mix the cutting solution. There's a submersible aquarium pump. The line comes up, goes into a lock line valve control that goes to my table. There is the switch for the pump. There's the on switch, and there's the lamp switch. So you can kick it on. You can turn on the light. And then to turn on the pump, and right there is the drain that comes out and goes back into the bucket. You can change the flow. That's full blast. You can move this anywhere in the table you want. You can lower the flow or turn it off, all by this valve. And you can move this any way you want. Turn the drill off. Turn the light off, and then you can turn the pump off. There you go. I'm just going to get a clean bucket with new cutting solution and put a top on it, and it's done.